guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you DIY fluffy slime, so let's get started. Okay, if you hear the background sounds, it's my parents, and if you hear them talking Spanish, it means that they're Mexican, and my family only knows Spanish, so just ignore if they say bad words in Spanish. And right here they're cooking, so ignore why are they, ouch, cooking. So, you're first gonna need a bowl, so let me bring you that up. Anyhow, I have my bowl with my tab. Now what you're gonna need is glue. Okay, here's the glue. So now you're gonna need shaving cream. Here's my shaving cream. You'll need that, and now you need a mixing spoon. Now what you need is borax. You can use borax, but if you don't want to, you can use something else like laundry detergent, something else. So let's get the borax. So my borax are almost empty, so I got my book of my borax. So you will need that. So let's get started by do this slime. So I'm first gonna add blue. Oh, and food coloring if you want to. I'm gonna add blue. So just if you want to. But now I'm gonna start with blue. I think like that would be fine. So let's close the blue. Now I'm gonna add some shaving cream. Shake it. That's enough. Now I'm gonna mix it. And it's kinda gonna look like whipped cream or like ice cream. So like vanilla ice cream kinda. So this takes really long until you don't see the shaving cream. So see you when I'm done mixing. So I'm just done mixing. So now what you'll need is add your food coloring. So I'm gonna add my food coloring. Oops, I think I added too much, but that will work it because it's gonna be fun. Hi boy. So ignore her, she's my mom. So I'm done making it my glue and shaving cream mix baby blue. I'm gonna show you. So here's my baby blue. It's kind of, in camera it looks darker, but it's kind of like a sky, like the color of the sky blue. So now my mom is laughing at me. Now you're gonna add your borax. And this supposedly is gonna make a fluffy slime. And laundry detergent makes a fluffy slime. So, you see, it's not ready yet. Ooh, ignore the background. I'm gonna make a lot of noise.
Move it.
If you touch it and it's not ready, you didn't need. This is how messy it turned. I'm so sorry. But I didn't need, so I touched it and it kind of didn't need. That was not ready. I just touched it again. This is kind of ready. It's kind of ready. I'm not sure, like, I can feel it, but I'm not sure, you know how? So I mean, it's not super sticky, but like, forget about that. You need what? Like a shotgun. So, oops, some slime is stuck on there. This is gonna turn fluffy slime. So I mold it like this, like that. It turns really fast, slimy and fluffy. So I basically mold it like this. So you see it's a little bit sticky, and I don't mind because slime's like, I mean, it's slime, but it's really sticky, so I'm gonna add so much borax. I don't want to add too much, just in case the consistency doesn't turn out like you wanted it to be. But now it's not sticking that much to me. I mean, it is sticky, but like not too much. I'm gonna put it, ooh. Still, I'm trying to put it here. Okay. Okay. Get this out of me. Okay. That's fluffy slime there, but it's sticky, so we just need to add borax, mix it. Oh my god, it's actually fluffy slime now after that whole molding. So here's my slime. It's like a little baby blue. So I love it. Let's roll it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys. Bye.